Welcome to the Rice County Historical Society Museum. This is a corner we don't normally get to show off very often, so I want to take an opportunity to let you get a good look at it. Also, I want you to get a good look at it because we're actually going to be changing this corner here in the next year. Now, if you're a big fan of all of these exhibits that are here, don't worry, we're not getting rid of any of this. It's just gonna get rotated off. A lot of this has been on display for a while. It needs to get some TLC back in our collections room. So some of this will get worked into other exhibits that we have throughout our facilities, and others are just gonna take a rest for a little bit. But don't worry, this will all be kept in the collection and cared for, and eventually will get rotated back into another exhibit in future years. We are working on a big immigration exhibit all about the different groups that have come here and called Rice County home, all the way from the Dakota up through our more recent immigrants to today. So this entire area is going to get sort of switched out. We'll have a lot of interactive things for people to work with. There'll be a steamer trunk that people will be able to look through and kind of see the things that people would have brought over from when they immigrated from Europe and things like that. We'll have some audio things so you can hear the different languages that have kind of bred Rice County to be the place that it is today. So that's one of the big new exhibits we're going to be working on. We're really excited to show that off. So keep an eye out for that next year. But as part of that, we're doing some other renovations around here. We're doing some updating. The museum hasn't really had much of an update in the last 50 years that we've been here, so it's a chance for us to do some repainting and some re-envisioning as we go into our centennial year. One of the other big things I wanted to let you know about is I've mentioned before that we're in the middle of a big Centennial Endowment campaign. So the idea here is if we can raise $200,000, we have some fantastic sponsors that are going to match that for us. It would be $400,000 that we can use and kind of live off the proceeds of that to help us not just maintain what we're doing now, but grow and do even more with that support. So a quick update on that, we've already hit our first $100,000. So we're already more than halfway there. Our first donor has already made that match. So all told, we're already at $236,000 so far, which is amazing. Thank you to anybody that has donated. If you haven't had a chance to donate, we encourage you to go to our website or stop in and make a donation. Every dollar that's donated is matched by another dollar on this campaign. So the hope is that by the time we're done, we'll have about $25,000 every year that we can put towards general operations, updating our exhibits, and taking the best care of the collection that we possibly can. We can't do it alone, so we certainly need your help, and this is a great year to do it. Our campaign goes until the end of this year, 2026, so we really hope that you'll join us for that. A couple other big things that are going on around here. If you come out to visit us during the fair, you're going to notice that a couple of our buildings look a little different. Part of that is because we've been doing a lot of building maintenance. So our cabin is getting its floor rebuilt, and we're making it so it's handicap accessible so that our friends that are in wheelchairs or have baby strollers are able to come in and enjoy our Pioneer cabin. And we're doing some foundation repairs on our historic church so that people will be able to come in and enjoy that building as well. We've got a lot more great and fantastic things coming up this year. We really hope that you will visit and attend. One last one I really want to plug is March 18th is our Night Out for History event. So from 4 to 7, there will be several different restaurants that you'll be able to go to, like Redemption here in Faribault, or you'll be able to go to Boonies out in Millersburg, Godfather's here in Faribault as well, and several others. If you go between that 3-hour block, 4 to 7, we get a portion of all of the sales that they do during that. And then that money will go back into our school programs that start up in April and May. So if you want to find a good way to have a good meal and support history, you can't do any better than going out to that campaign. So again, that's March 18th from 4 to 7. Keep an eye on our website and on our social media, and you'll be able to see all the different restaurants that are helping us out with this campaign. So that's it from all of us for now. Like I said, much more to come, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So from all of us at the Rice County Historical Society, thanks. Preserving the past for future generations.